guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I wanted to do a little update with you. I've been moving things around here in my home, so I wanted to share, and as you may see, this is why the update happened. So I'm here in my bedroom, and if you look behind me, mirror here in our bedroom, because my little people, I don't know who, has put a little fracture crack in my mirror. So I'm like, I am not fin to take any chances of it becoming worse than what it is. So let me take you along and share my update. If you're new here, hello, I'm Raquel. I have a lifestyle channel. I do cleaning, motivation, cooking, hanging with my fam, vlogging, all that good stuff. So if that's what you're here for, please subscribe, and I will definitely bring you more content like this, okay? So nonetheless, and if you are subscribed, please just make sure your bell is on. Let's get into the update, and I need you guys' help in the comments, all right? So let's go. Alrighty, so here is my current living room update. So as you see, I removed the teardrop mirror. Here are the mirrors here. I'm going to see if I can locate some more and possibly add them back on the wall. Here's the dilemma I'm having. I don't have anything to put on this wall, but right there. So I'm gonna see how that looks, because right now I don't have anything else, and I really don't want to move these out of here. But let me see. But here you go, you guys. Alrighty, so what I did was pull this rug up right now. As soon as I finish getting all this off, I'm rolling it up. Okay, since it was so much wool that was shedding, it was just easier for me to grab the broom. Look at this. Look at this. Is only one pile. Let me go to the other pile and share. It's more over here. This is crazy. I am about to pull this rug up right now, and this is it. I'm not dealing with this no more. I have no more patience, time, or energy to play with no wool rug. Now, if this wasn't our daily rug and we didn't have to do this, see this every day, maybe it'll be different, but I moved. Look at this. I took everything off the wall, tied the curtains up, so everything is pushed over here in the corner. I tied the curtains up over here. So I am over here just sweeping and sweeping. The vacuum was not cutting it. So that's what I'm working on right now. Remember, we used to have this carpet down before I put the blue one down. This was the carpet that I had, and this is from our bedroom. So I just tried to layer them. This is not the final carpet situation, but it's working for right now. Okay, so I just wanted to say, what I did was put the tables, split them apart, and so they're not continuous. I think that looks much better instead of trying to line them up directly. And I just put my plant here, and as you see, the big mirror is now in my bedroom. I found this chair here at Marshall's, and as you see, it's a gray suede material, so it fits really nicely in with my sectional and my little stools here. So here you go. So this is the pillows that I had originally that I wanted to decorate my living room in this color anyway. So I had 4 pillowcases and I was able to put them around the living room. So the smaller one is in the middle and then the 2 larger ones are here on the side. I think they're so nice, and look at the sparkly threads and all that stuff. It's still a little neutral, a little bland, so I do need a little pop over here. But for now, using what I have around the house did not cost me any money to move things around. This table is up for debate. My husband and daughter told me to leave the table here because originally I brung it to see if I would line all 3 tables against the wall. That totally did not look right. So I just had it slid over here and they said they liked it there. Again, I am waiting on the sectional, the other part to the couch, so all of this will be gone anyways. But for now, I mean, I don't mind it here. So all 3 mirrored tables are in the living room. All right, you guys, so here is my little update. Bland with neutral monochromatic tones, but that's what I had right now. So everything is grays, creams, and gold. Okay,